Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Dogecoin on Coinbase. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is actually link a bank account to your Coinbase account. So all on the bottom, you'll see multiple tabs. You're going to click on the settings tab at the far right. Okay, so under your settings tab, you'll see a section that says payment method. And if you don't already have a payment method there, then click on add a payment method. Here you'll have multiple options. You could add a bank account, PayPal account, debit card, or add information to do a wire transfer. Okay, so after you've linked a bank account to your Coinbase account, along the bottom you'll see a blue button with arrows pointing in opposite directions. So click on that, and then you're going to click on buy, and the header there is buy crypto with cash. So click there. And then you're going to scroll on down until you find Dogecoin. Right now for me, Dogecoin is at the very bottom. So we're going to click on Dogecoin. And here you get to select the amount of Doge you would like to buy. So for this video example, I'm just going to buy $10 worth of Dogecoin. And you can see it's going to be taking money out of the account that you linked earlier. So let's type in $10. Okay, so after you typed in the amount you want to buy, click on Preview Buy. And then here you'll just see a summary of your transaction. As you can see, there is a fee buying it on Coinbase. However, if you want to pay less in fees, feel free to check out my video on buying Dogecoin with Coinbase Pro. I only paid like 4 cents to buy $10 worth of Dogecoin. However, if you use my link and buy over $100 worth of Dogecoin, you get $10 worth of Bitcoin for free. So I'm going to click on buy. It's going to show you the 3 dots. And then there you go, your order was submitted. So continue, and it's telling me you can send your Doge immediately. You can send up to $1,000 in crypto per day while we wait for your funds to arrive. Amounts above that can be sent after 6 days. Got it. Okay, so as you can see there, I bought $10 worth of Doge, had to pay like $1 fee, and I currently am holding 24 Dogecoin in my Coinbase account. And that's how you buy Dogecoin on Coinbase. So if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.